Hey everyone, this is Colin Gelinas, and I'm the Chief Information Officer here at Rhino Networks. And today I just wanted to quickly go through a feature that I think is pretty cool for Meraki MR access points, which is called SSID tunneling. And essentially allows you to configure on a specific SSID a VPN tunnel to one of your MX appliances. So, very easy to, if you purchase an MR access point for your home, and if you wanted to have a specific SSID that just automatically connects to you as if you're in your office network, it's very easy to do so with this feature. So before I get into it, Meraki or documentation.meraki.com does have a pretty good guide on this. You can even just Google SSID, Meraki SSID tunneling, and it should come right up at the top. So, but really only a few steps to get this enabled. So, starting off, once you get logged into your Meraki dashboard, on the left, if you hover over the wireless section and then go to access control, and assuming you've already configured your encryption settings, we're going to go ahead and scroll down here to addressing and traffic, and you'll want to click the radial for this VPN option. Once you do that, you get these additional settings here, so you can choose which MX appliance or even a Z1 or Z3, like we have. This is Z3C, I believe, but which one we want to connect to. You're going to go ahead and choose which VLAN you want it to connect to as well, whether or not you want to do full tunnel or split tunnel. So the difference there is with a full tunnel, like I said, tunnel all traffic. So basically, regardless of whether you're accessing something on that corporate network, it's going to send all traffic over that VPN tunnel. Some folks prefer to do a split tunnel because it only sends traffic destined for that other network over the VPN. So if you're just accessing the internet, for example, it's still going to go, or it's just going to go, right over the internet rather than going over the VPN tunnel. I would say it really, depending on your internet throughput, I would say full tunnel is certainly a more secure method, but it does have its drawbacks. If you're not on a super fast internet connection, it certainly can slow things down a little bit for you. And then once we get those settings configured how we want them, I would give it a couple of minutes to negotiate that VPN tunnel and bring it online, and then you'll be able to test connectivity right here. And if it's, once that VPN tunnel is online, you should get this, this is going to be depending on how many access points are broadcasting this SSID. You'll get the figure here based on, if you have just one like I have, it'll just show one here for past. So that's it. So at this point, I've already tested this. The cool thing is if I even run an IP config, it actually gives me an IP address from that corporate network. So it's really just as if I was at the office. So I can access network drives, any resources I normally would if I'm at the office. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 855-462-9434 or shoot us an email at deployments@rhinonetworks.com. Included with your Meraki license, you also get access to Meraki Support. So, if you just go to this help and get help section, if you're having any trouble, there's some great documentation here. Or, if you're still having issues after going through the documentation, you can click on the Still Need Help section to submit a case either via phone or email. But, yeah, if there's anything else that we can help with, just let us know. Take care.